Explore the Speak and Spell electronic game, the ultimate educational learning toy, and this item have retro play. Relive the classic fun of the 80s with the Speak and Spell. This toy may be new, but it has all iconic graphics, sounds, in the gameplay you'll remember, and they have 5 play modes. Enjoy hours of educational fun with the 5 play modes: spell, mystery, say it, secret code, and letter. Which game will you play today? They have multiple challenge levels ready to up your game. Choose from different challenges levels as you learn and play. Can you reach the highest level? And they have great gifts for kids. Speak and Spell makes a fun educational gift for kids aged 7 and up. And they have true classic, and Spell and Speak have true classic, and they have the first educational toy designed to help children to learn how to spell over 200 commonly misspelled words using a speech synthesizer. If you want to get to know more about this product, you're going to find it in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.